Update, we are Julie Tswalo, a 25-year-old lady from Mogonono, born in the year 2000. Nsanzi Julia's name has been trending on Facebook because she mysteriously disappeared on the 30th of August 2025. What makes the story even more heartbreaking is that she left her three children, 8, 6, 4 years old, and 2 years old. These innocent babies were abandoned with her sister while Julia went off chasing a lifestyle. Julia received SASA grant, child support grant, for all the three kids. Community members are outraged, saying Julia has completely turned her back on her responsibilities as a mother. They claim she had been spending money recklessly, living as if she has no children waiting for her at home. What makes the situation sadder is that Julia is said to have no parents, so her kids don't even have grandparents to step in. The only silver lining is that children do have their father, though people are questioning why isn't he the one stepping up to taking care of them. Neighbors have been asking about, saying Julia's disappearance was no surprise. Apparently, she has been struggling with the pressure of being a motherhood for years. Some say she has been influenced by friends who live fast lifestyles, always chasing soft life trends. Others say it's just a matter of time before she walked away and comes back with a fourth pregnancy.
Uno dia per zolfan ton pitenya na ket. So ordina style. Ordina style. Mi rinziamo la che facciamo trassi. Quando si style wan. Wai wannan chachara ga shi salon. Chachara ga shi wani bon. Ai kita kiya. Dili tu. Oni tira tsaye ba wai. Baba umbazan do sala la sintolile sitole la sala khona siphothin patha zakhe. Njengoba usesiloni mbona usesohlala naye la basho umtshelile ngendaba yokuthi unabantwana and bathi isikhathi eside ahlala naye bathina kangimbi engeke azamlahlele ngaphansi uzohlala naye abantwana kose bahlala emangweni ulahle abantwana nje masifika ukuthi she was aware that ukuthi abantwana bakuphi ile ndawo abahlala kiyo ke le ngalesi sikhathi balahla abantwana naye nabathintwana bakhe ngomtshina abazali bakhe. My question is still stand ukuthi kahle kahle la kwenziwani benzani mhlambe ngoba bathi abasebenzi bethu lokho ukuthi kuthengiswa something la. I'm quite sure kwando kuthengiswa mara sikhambe nazi impahla sakhe sithethile mara azaphelele ngicabanga ukuthi impahla nazi namanyathelo and azaphelele ayafanele yena sinokukhulisa abantu. Aja ferle la sesuatu akhirnya aja ferle. No, orang samnya.
I can understand.
Orang di paket sendiri coba dijual. Orang di paket.
Kita tahu itu wasin kita. Jadi kita mamang mafatin. Dan kita kau fela di sini.
So mara sisi wana ampu. Okay, siap. Artikel ofila zoa mara sisi mtu atau labana di lalu ena mungkin. Like, is it fair? Orang orang ternyata kenal ena and still watch up.
What's
some report? Okay, I'll see you for a second to Audulale, no one or Abereki, and then over to Ronaleba, now to the no some of the Asun desene kami sufren bazalo kami kre lo kama tivella atuna tivella regole le garar tivella abo tarta ma tivella le na tivella pero penso mo tivella lo no tabona mo tivella askan bil sum funum tivella zile No, simtolile bakwethu. Nangu simtolile. Nangu. Ela. Hey. Sesi. Kodra yo. Skator ka ngwela. Or ka ngora ngora.
Aka marlan ko tekile le phone.
Iya, mara skator bocor wena otso kodra ka. Eh? Otso kodra ka. O to tamele ni mwawe. Hausa kopol. Bana ro bakai kasis bak. Akatla to bashil ma. Kero bashil ma.
Aka bashil ma.
O no bashia fel. Kuna le bodi kate go katela mba. Eh? So wena bona gore wena masbotsana se se mo kampanya ka ngwana bone. Eh? Bana ba go la kema.
Ken.
Shalta go no dirang ka.
Keterangan.
Yes.
Apa telek saya?
And then link.
And then ke reka di tsotlha.
o rekela mang dilo tsa go
Nna le
ka tšhelete mang ya o tsene neng go berekela dijo
Otra.
berekela dijo
Aksa.
ga o sa gopola so tšhelete ya kgwedi ya noe mafelo ke rileng ka
Ke reka phone.
o rekile phone tšhelete ya bana ke go reka phone ke go rekang ba e diretse gore se gopelo ba tamele mo gopelo ba tamele wa tsa gore tsamaranya kana le wena o te pone di phone gore tsamaya ra tseba gore folo le taxi ke ka diaparo tsa go
Telephone.
diaparo tsa gago tse leng ga o tsamaeleng go tloga mo gageng
Nka tsamaya se.
ga gona diaparo mo e leng gore ga o sana diaparo tsa go di gona mo gageng
Yeah.
ka moka ga tsone ntse leng zele nempatla sore zele nempatla tlo bontsha ke re wena o sa nyaka gore go ntho go ja mo gageng se o re tlhalosetse o dira jang o sa
motho o tlogela bana ba le one batšhabo ba tlogela le mosimanyana ka wa sekolo ngwana ka o kry-anya kwa sekolong wa mfounela fro a re mama dula o tšhabile nna go nyala ke no ka sekolong bana ba šetse ba le one o no o tšhaba a nyamalala o ipotsa gore mande o tlo ba mande ya sa ngwana ga go bala grade one o no phela a le o file sekolong tšhelete ya bana ya sasa gore o ija le mang gore ka e ka tsena go tsena 350 wa tsena tšhelete ya sasa dule ya gone
ke bana ba bakae go lla bana ba bakae
o golela bana ba ba i-3
tšhelete ka moka ga yona ya bana ba
le bana ba ba i-2 mo gae o i-1 o tswa molatlha dinageng a re tse go latlhile ngwana kae wa 2 years
okay okay ngwana mo ga gabo o kwane jone le ba gabo
Ba gago.
ee
Oh what? Ke ba botsa gore ke mo tlisha.
okay ke ka ga gabo
Video.
a se diaparo o misetse ke o kwane le batho ba
Bana papa.
re diaparo tsa go ke re bile tsona bona gore re tlonya karabera wa re bile everything ke botlhale bo bo dirang o ja tšhelete bana ka difounu o tsere bana o misetse p mara tšhelete kati šetse le wena ya ngwana mara o misetse p kati o e tshwere e benefita wena gore o tsamaya gore ba le banna o nyaka go tliša ngwana a bone mo gaemo who the fuck you think you are
deke a le sentse bo re go nkgalfote
ora gore o nkgalfote
a tsebe e ba so
nkgalfote
nkgalfote
o pregnant
o isfo o e tla ngwana
le tlarfa ena ke re swantse a nokeng a o rapelelwa a kgone go boa a le right because ke bona o ka re tlhoka ga gaetse gabotse o tša o ka re ra bapala ke re number one o šia bana batho ba tshwana le wena re tlo tila le bona ka tsela e tshwanetseng you think this is funny no, this is funny
ba re ba nyakana le papa bona ba ba banyane
ao bana ba timetse
kwa disi ba tlo ba tlogetse ma ba tšhabela ke bana ba tša dikulbeke ba subelela ba podisi ba ranya ka papa bona ba tlhakane le mme mongwe a le podisi a bona gore bana ba ba timetse a ba tšea le bona police station ba bona as police station ba ya ko sasa go ma-social worker ba fitlha ba bolela le ma-social worker after that ba re ba ya ko di-orphanage ba re ba nyakela space ba se tlhoka ba botša ngwane o wa grade r wa grade one ba re o tseba ga re nna a re ke site ya Silver Lake ke le fitlha Silver Lake ke tlo le bontšha gore direction ya go aga ke kae a ba tšea bana ba ba iša ko kwa bana o bula ka kwa class ba ba išang ko kwa bana o tlhoka motlhalosetsa the whole story bana ba go ra gore ka mokgwa nkabelo ba kopane le tsotsi gore eng bane ne ba timetse
phendulo ifone size ukuthi ufona thini ula mosisi konke ngwana ga go mailing screenshot wa ba gopola bana ba gago okay no mlahlileng okay
Kana ke sa bula.
ga ipone lo thata ngathi siyadlala lo musa charming system tlo gona go loga ka tšhelete ba
ke šitše motho ana go lenta e tlhokang le plastic e šile mo lastikeng sa motšhane ko gona a tsena no ja mmontšha ke re bona ke tswa kae ke tso rekela bana ba go diaparo bana ga ke ba rekela diaparo ke ba direla everything ke reka dijo ka mo gore a dule ka mo mara aowa
komfone
ya promise ke ena tšhomi ya gage kgolo e motsamaisang kudu
ke mang promise
ngwana mongwe o dula saite ya didin
ke slender
ya wa slender so tlhogo
montsho ke ena mo dirang gore a phele go ka motho
a sepetse le ena sa le ka ba kry-a plekeng engwe pona
na ungathi utreke godi nangathi sidalo treke ne okay it's fine ne umnandi atsabeje okay that's fine bakwethu sizokubuya after a few minutes sayokubhila naye ke ukuthi simkhombise ukuthi this is not funny and then utlo gopola gore re tlo tsamaya le ena esithola boama understand so re tlo sepela le ena o tla boa motlhangate thušang gore ke ena mang re pile le ena ke re o sa banyaka bana setse wa sa nyaka bana kere this is your life
le mapodisa a re ile a re immediately ga a tsena mo re ba founela
ska gore dila le ena before mise mapodiseng ya gore mapodiseng a ikwele gore this is a painful part wa kwa wa nko gore ke reng o ka shiba na wena no bizu to just ke tsune go pa le go bolela le na o tlo bolela le rena ne o tlo bolela le rena sis bona ke tlo go tsela mafelo na poteng wa tlo bana ba ya mo kam ke gopela gore bolele le nna bona gore motho mo ile mo la ka tele bana and then gore motho gore ile gore tsa mo dira bana so go fila jwa mo tsamaya o dula na reng ka bana ba ka tla mo kam wena o tpona o motsana o tpona le garebe wa tshwanela bolelwe okay round 2 ne round 2 ke a botsisa round 2 ke a botsisa sesi now what ke na compose Are you proud about life you feel like go bana bono na bana ba 3 ba belega ene bana ba ga ba shine go lo 2000 o sanya go dira bana ba bangwe ba tsona go tshwara ka karata sa sa se mo ka mga yona ba lo go ba lo mo ba tshela sa ba le tswela ke re le bana go bana ba go lo tlhokomela ke sa bana ba tshela mo ka mga ba sna dijo wena you are fine you are happy about everything wa chama wena wa loga ka tshela bana wa tshwanela bana ba go bona ba khona go feel ba no this is a beautiful woman so sia bana. But beautiful, but you forget your side. It's very, very, very tasty. Your inner part. Come on, sleeping shot. I'm asking myself for all of them so they are coming but 3 years, 6 years, 4 years, 2 years. Only to come on. What do you got? So kids is what they're going to about. But to come to one of feel at this thing. Okay? We must say no, she's happy that Banaret. Look at you today. Come coach a mamba to go on a couple of things which is some my son's wrong one over Lenu. Watch how much have it behind. Look at us, okay, cut us. Please. What's up with the program? The camera full. Phone we suring it as I was I said about Yaba and a kid shall theoretically come a phone as I have one about one about a phone again. Very good page phone is what you tell you exit your always tell it Yaba and again. If you enjoy. No, Susana system. Can you I want to see you practicing and get a I'm not sure what that or put a name. Oh, you pay your teacher after 14 days. Oh, when I want to eat your page or you and why enjoy. Page or you serving a food. Oh, wait, nothing to be saying. Let's begin with the second guy. We begin with some second guy. Una matching system, so I'm matching system. I can we manage Abandon. Abandon about the Balo back is back like a book. Una lower Boylan. What's that about officially? What's that? Or saving? Okay, to look for cigarette. I think I came about Banga some packing in some Commander. Come on, go to focus. Arbuina no motor to Arau which to one carbon cities to Petape Lutra to Petao Dido. I don't know who did it. A man or Vutra of Nakaram Cree. You want to see?
I'll find you a couple you'll fit the best.
I'm not before summer. My advice is to you, Mara. Kabakala or Kavana Shilling Ban. My advice? Advice? Much. More advice. Tell me advice. Please, I can do that. And then? Or advice here. Also advice, at least upon over that confidence. You see what this is better to hold what's your advice? Yes, sister. What advice? Okay? Comrade? Comrade that actually awesome advice on Mutuan. Someone chap or fellow over awesome advice. Olela gore motse go rapalla ka go tlhokomela bana. Olela. Go tsolela. Ke jwa moya. Aintle. Ke entle ke fenya o sia bana ke yone le ngentle. Ka o tshise. Bona la mathomo re fihle mara o botsisha ra o mo tsenneng wa re botsa re mo tsenne mabana ke re go bona wa bo wa jike gore go re mo fakelang influencer gore a ska bona bana no re tse tshumi ya hao ka re dipontsho tsa nna tse two a o sana plan bana mo no lela mo tshwa di leng ke o tsana from kwela thuso ke gore go ela be sharp gore bana gone ba tlhokomela ke no mo a itla tlotsa ma a tlogela bana that's what we are here for ramotshio mona ra tsamaela gago bako ya kwa tshentse selo ba gaga ebe mme wa bana iska ba girlfriend lo ene funa le ngwana o mo shile o pola ngwana kwa mrago kwa ka re ba re botsa go lo ene o thabetse ngwana ra tla gore o kra kae so go ntse re tlo motsia bo setla ba a bileng ka ra bona ba phumpha kana ga o se le metsi so but I'm glad that today we are going to complete this thing once and for all. And then we'll go see some right to feel Havana Baga.
It's not the one that.
Hello, stay to the Corbanari now, some Tamuhak. Hakachumawa Tama. Mohakuchumu, right? Mohak. That's going to happen. This is wrong, Chum. Skawar, Lela, Rowan. Hello. Hey, hello. What of water? That's it? Rowan. Olela, to the Ranaka. Olela. Tutin tuligan na taballe na tabalban on kufish wato goro telephone kasin tabana sabana banadish for you our fact that is why we are here taba ya kera bona tsara botele pues o tlhokomela bana ba ga go sis no so kumnyama ala control iluku ukusala umuntu semtholela incebo nangabe kunedemon sensiqinisekisa demon impeliphume so today sifuna ukuthi at least khona ukuthola ukuthi yini kahle kahle into omhluphayo sisi so sizomthatha simise endaweni la sazi ukuthi uzokhona ukuthola uhelebho uNkulunkulu ambusise afuna ukwazi ukuthi abantwana bayatha khona so ngicabanga ukuthi
We are raised by the ones who know what to do. Relief is in our roots.